So this is my outline. Today I'll have 3 parts. First, we're gonna introduce what is Moldiverse. And second, we'll be seeing some new features in Moldiverse, including AI chatbot and some updates in the material database, some forum, and also our store. Last, we'll be take a brief look at how to upgrade to Moldiverse Enterprise account. Because as you might know, if you are a Moldex3D software user, you are welcome to upgrade your account to access some of our complimentary service that's excluded on Moldiverse.